Welcome to my new video. Today, one of the difficult topics of class 12, that is derivative. I'm going to do some problems. This chapter I made into three parts. Today's part, first principle of derivative. And this is belong to calculus. You know that Sir Isaac Newton, one of the top scientists, in his time, his wife also one of the top mathematicians. And husband and wife fighting, and he thought, why not think about mathematics, and he invented calculus in 16th century. That is calculus with limit, derivative, antiderivative, maxima, minima, and others also there, and this is a part of calculus. And today I'm going to do first part of derivative. That is, I'm going to make three part, and first part only we'll discuss today. That is very important for board exam. This question, find from the first principle the derivative of first question 5x square. So let y equal to 5x square. Small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Means let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. If you put delta x, small quantity of x, that is delta x in x, it will automatically add delta y in y to make the balance. So y plus delta y equal to 5. In place of x we are adding delta x. So x plus delta x square there, so whole square, or y plus delta y equal to 5. Now a plus b square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now open the bracket, alright, delta y equal to 5x square plus 10x delta x plus 5 delta x square. This y transferring that side, it is minus y. Now put the values of x square plus 5x square plus 10x delta x plus 5 delta x square. Y is 5x square. This minus 5x square and plus 5x square got delta y equal to, now take common delta x common, then remaining is 10x plus 5 delta x. Now this delta x transferring down, delta y upon delta x equal to 10x plus 5 delta x. Now taking limit on both sides, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 10x plus 5 delta x. Means this is limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. This is called dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. And now we can put the value of delta x, 5 into delta x means 0, so 10x. Therefore, derivative of 5x square is 10x. By first principle, we are doing x square minus 2x. Let y equal to x square minus 2x. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Now adding y plus delta y, in place of x, delta x adding x plus delta x whole square minus 2, x means x plus delta x. Now open the bracket, a plus square formula 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This 2 multiplied minus 2x minus 2 delta x. If you transfer y that side, it will be easy. Delta y equal to y going that side, it will be minus y. X square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus 2x minus 2 delta x. Y means x square minus 2x, so minus x square minus minus plus 2x. Now this x square we can cut, 2x also we can cut. Take delta x common, the remaining is 2x Here delta x remaining. Here nothing means 2 only, remaining delta x already gone. Delta y or delta y by delta x equal to 2x plus delta x minus 2. Taking limit on both sides. Limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0. 2x plus delta x minus 2. This means dy by dx. Now in place of delta x we can put 0. 0 minus 2, that is 2x minus 2. Question number 3, x bracket x plus 1. So let y equal to x bracket x plus 1 multiply x square plus x. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Same as before, this y plus delta y equal to x means x plus delta x square plus x means x plus delta x. Now delta y equal to, open this formula, x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square plus x plus delta x minus y. X square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square plus x plus delta x. Y means x square plus x minus x square minus plus minus x. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. Take delta x common. Remaining is 2x plus delta x plus here 1 delta y, or delta y by delta x equal to 2x plus delta x plus 1. Taking limit on both sides, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 2x plus delta x plus 1. This means dy by dx. Now in place of delta x we will put 0, 2x plus 0 plus 1, that is 2x plus 1. Fourth question, 1 by x plus 3. Let y equal to 1 by x plus 3. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Now y plus delta y equal to 1 by x means x plus delta x plus 3, or delta y equal to 1 by x plus delta x plus 3 minus y. Delta y equal to 1 by x plus delta x plus 3. Y means 1 by x plus 3. Take LCM. LCM is x plus delta x plus 3 and x plus 3. This x plus 3 will multiply to 1, x plus 3. This one will multiply to this minus x minus plus minus delta x minus plus minus 3. 3 and 3 also got, delta x also got. Now delta x transferring denominator, delta y by delta x equal to minus 1 by x plus delta x plus 3, x plus 3. Taking limit on both sides, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0 minus 1 by x plus delta x plus 3 and x plus 3. This means dy by dx minus 1. Now delta x, in place of delta x we can put 0. So x plus 0 plus 3 and x plus 3. That means minus 1 by x plus 3, x plus 3. That means minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. Number 5, 1 by 3 minus 2x. Let y equal 1 by 3 minus 2x. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. That means same as before, y plus delta y equal to 1 by 3, 2 minus 2, x means what? X plus delta x. Or delta y equal to 1 by 3 minus 2x minus plus minus 2 delta x minus y. Delta y equal to 1 by 3 minus 2x minus 2 delta x. Y means 1 by 3 minus 2x. Taking LCM, 3 minus 2x minus 2 delta x, 3 minus 2x. This will multiply this to 3 minus 2x minus 1 minus 3 minus minus plus 2x minus minus plus 2 delta x. Now plus 2x and this cancelled. Now only 2 delta x remaining. Delta x transferring denominator. Delta y by delta x equal to 2y 3 minus 2x minus 2 delta x 3 minus 2x. Taking limit on both sides. Limit on both sides. Limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0. 2 by 3 minus 2x minus 2 delta x 3 minus 2x. This is dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x. Now putting delta x means 0. 2 by 3 minus 2x minus 0. 0 into 2, 0. 3 minus 2x. 2 by 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2x. So we can write 3 minus 2x whole square. Root x. Let y equal to root x. Let delta x be the small increment in the x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Y plus delta y equal to root over x plus delta x, or delta y equal to root over x plus delta x minus y. Delta y equal to root over x plus delta x minus y means root x. Now we will do rationalization into this minus here, so we should multiply by plus. If plus, then we should multiply by minus. Here rationalization we are doing plus root x by root over x plus delta x plus root x. Delta y equal to now a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square means root removed x plus delta x. Here also root removed x, downside x plus delta x plus root x. A minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. Now x and x cancel. Delta x we can transfer down, means delta y by delta x equal to 1 by root over x plus delta x plus root over x. Taking limit on both sides. Limit on both sides. The limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0. 1 by root over x plus delta x plus root over x. This means dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x. 1 by, now in place of delta x we can write 0, x plus 0 plus root over x. That is 1 by root x plus root x. 1 by 2 root x. 7. Let y equal to 1 by root x. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Now y plus delta y equal to 1 by x plus delta x. Delta y equal to 1 by root over x plus delta x minus y. 1 by root over x plus delta x minus y means root over x. 1 by root x. Take LCM. Root x plus delta x. Root x ones are root x minus root x plus delta x. Now we should rationalize, so I'll do here only rationalize. Root x minus plus root x plus delta x upon root x plus root x plus delta x. Now delta y as equal to a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Root square means root x, that is b square is root remove minus x minus plus minus delta x upon root x plus delta x and root x plus root x plus delta x. X and x cancelled. Means a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. Root x square means x. this root square is root removed and minus multiplied inside, that is minus. Or delta y by delta x equal to minus 1 by root x plus delta x, root x plus delta x. Now taking limit on both sides, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0 minus 1 by root x plus delta x bracket root x plus delta x. Now this means dy by dx. Now minus 1. Now we'll put in place of delta x 0. That is root x as it is. Here root x plus 0 and bracket root x as it is plus root x plus 0. Minus 1 by root x. Here root x plus root x. That means minus 1 by root is at x only. This is 2 root x. You can put minus 1 by this root means power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 and x minus 1 by 2 x power 3 by 2. Once again, x power 1 by 2. Root means x power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, if you add it will be 3 by 2. This. Last question, y equal, this question was asked in 2072 in board exam. Y equal to 3x plus 5 by root x. So complicated it looks, so we should break down 3x by root x plus 5 by root x. 5 by root x. If you break down this by this by this. Now root x and x, if you cancel, it will be root x is x, so 3 root x plus 5 by root x. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then delta y be the corresponding increment in y. Now y plus delta y equal to 3, x means x plus delta x plus 5 by x means x plus delta x inside the root. Now y transferring that side minus y means 3 root x minus plus minus 5 by root x. Now we are taking common, 3 and 3 common taking, 5 and 5 common taking. Taking LCM here, this root x, 1 the root x, this one, this root x. Now we have to do rationalize, delta y equal to this here minus, so we should multiply by plus. Root x plus delta x minus root x into root x plus delta x plus root x by root x plus delta x plus root x. Minus your plus up and down multiply. Here also we have to do rationalize this 5 as it is. 5 as it is. 5 as it is. Here also minus, so we should multiply by plus. Now a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square, 3 as it is. This root removed, x plus delta x, root x square means x. Here also 5 as it is. A minus b, a plus b, root x square is x, this square is this minus plus minus. Now x and x cancel, here also x and x cancel. We can take delta x and delta x common. Now here delta x, here also delta x, we can take delta x common. Remaining will be 3 by this minus plus minus 5 by this all. Now this delta x transferring down, then remaining this, taking limit on both sides, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0, this all copy. Now this means dy by dx. Now delta x, in place of delta x we can put 0, so here delta x means 0, this as it is, here also delta x means 0, this also delta x means 0. Now 3 by root x it will be 2 root x, 5 by root x it will be x, root x plus root x it will be 2 root x. Now 2x root x LCM, you have 2 root x there, x that is x3 is 3x minus 5. So dy by dx here 3x minus 5 by 2x root x. You can write one more step, 3x minus 5 by 2x power 3 by 2 also. Therefore dy by dx equal to 3x minus 5 by 2 x power 3 by 2. Why? X and x power 1 by 2 means x power 1 plus x power 1 by 2. That means x power 3 by 2. Finished. I believe you understand the first principle of derivative, which is very important for board exam. If any comments, please write comments in my comments box and share, subscribe and like my video. If you have already subscribed, please tell your friends to subscribe, then it will be better to understand derivative. We'll meet in next video of derivative. Thank you.